Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to convert portrait video to landscape in Premiere Pro. First, select your video on the timeline and let's go to the sequence tab at the top left and click on sequence settings. From here, what we're going to do is to flip both of these values. So for 1920, we are going to put it in the horizontal. For 1080, we are going to put it on the vertical. And the ratio should show up 16:9 and just click on OK right here. Click on OK, and our video should now be on a landscape mode. And as you can see, we have white borders right here. We can go to Effect Controls, and we can adjust the position, the Y position, and you can zoom in your video if you prefer that. If you want to show the whole video or most part of video, you can unzoom it like that. And we're going to duplicate our video on the timeline by holding the Alt key and dragging it up, and it will duplicate our video in another video layer. Now selecting the video at the bottom layer, increase the scale of it using the effect controls, and let's go to effects and search for Gaussian blur. Let's drag this Gaussian blur effect to the video at the bottom, go to effect controls, and we're going to increase the blurriness so that it blurs like that. You can then adjust the position of the video at the top as you prefer. And that is how you can basically convert portrait video to landscape in Premiere Pro. Thanks for watching, and if you found this useful, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos like this.